Hello and welcome to Ashwini Tarkar's cookbook. Let's get started with today's recipe. Let's make bread upma today with leftover bread slices. You can use the white bread or the brown bread. Now peel one potato and chop it into thin pieces and dip it in water. We will need one onion and one green chili. So peel the onion and chop it, remove the stem and chop it into slices. Now we don't want it too long, so I have cut it into half first and then chopped it. Take 6 slices of bread and chop it into small cubes. You can also use the leftover borders of the sandwiches when you make it. So when you make sandwiches, you can save the borders and make it into upma the next day. Now cut this into small pieces. You can also run this through a mixer to make it into small pieces, but then that becomes uneven and I don't like it. So make sure you chop all the pieces into cubes. Now take 2 tablespoon oil in a kadai. We will give a tadka to this. Add mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon, quarter teaspoon hing and few curry leaves and the green chili which we slit and the onion. Now stir fry all this and add the potato. Drain it and add it. Add 2 tablespoon fresh green peas or you can also add the frozen ones. Add salt. Now add turmeric, quarter teaspoon and stir fry this. We want to cook the potato, so we will sprinkle little water. Don't add too much, the onion will get overcooked. Now the bread already has salt, so add little salt and sugar to 2 tablespoon water and sprinkle on the bread. The bread is stale, so it has to become soft and nice to steam. So add 2 tablespoon fresh coconut and 2 tablespoon chopped coriander and mix well. We will add this to the tadka once the potato is cooked. So check if potato is cooked. If not, cook it for some more time. It will not cook after you add the bread. So add the bread pieces now and cover and steam it for say 5 minutes. You can taste the bread for the salt and sugar part. We have added separately salt to the potatoes, so this should be sufficient. Now mix and steam for say 5 minutes, not more, and you can take it in a tiffin and with a fruit and some khara or save or eat it at home. Thanks for watching my recipe. If you have liked it, please subscribe, like and share it with somebody who loves cooking. See you in the next video.